The sixth match of IPL 2025 will see the Rajasthan Royals RR taking on the Kolkata Knight Riders KKR at the Bara Sapra Stadium in Guwahati on March 26. Both the teams are eager to register their first win of the season after opening match losses. Now the match preview. Rajasthan Royals come into this game after a 44-run defeat against the Sunrisers Hyderabad. Dhruv Jurel and Sanju Samson showed tremendous resilience, scoring 70 and 66 runs respectively. The team will be looking to bounce back strongly under the leadership of Riyan Parag. Kolkata Knight Riders, on the other hand, have suffered a 7-wicket loss to the Royal Challengers Bangalore in their opening match. Ajinkya Rahane played a crucial role in their 51-run knock but couldn't prevent the loss. Both the teams have balanced lineup, making this contest evenly poised one. Historically, Rajasthan Royals and Kolkata Knight Riders have faced off 28 times in the IPL, both the teams winning 14 matches each. This match provides an opportunity for one side to take a lead in their long-standing rivalry. Now the Rajasthan Royals versus Kolkata Knight Riders head-to-head records. Both the teams have won 14 games in their IPL rivalry, making this match a crucial one to break their deadlock. Now the Rajasthan Royals and Kolkata Knight Riders match. Weather and pitch report. Temperatures are expected to be around 26 degrees Celsius with a clear sky, ensuring ideal conditions for the cricket. The pitch at Bara Sapra Stadium is known to be batting friendly, favouring high scoring encounters. Pacers will enjoy some moment early on, but the surface is expected to favour the batsman. The average first inning score here is around 182 runs. Now talking about the record of chasing teams here. Chasing teams have struggled at this venue, having poor 33% win rate, indicating that the batting first could be advantageous. Now where to watch Rajasthan Royals versus Kolkata Knight Riders match live? The match will be broadcasted on Star Sports Network and fans can stream it on Jio Hotstar application for free. The action kicks off at 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Now the Rajasthan Royals versus Kolkata Knight Riders predicted playing 11s. Firstly, the Rajasthan Royals. Yashasvi Jaiswal, Nitish Rana, Riyan Parag, Shubham Dube, Dhruv Jurel, Shimran Hetmeyer, Jofra Archer, Mahesh Tikshna, Tushar Deshpande, Sandeep Sharma, Fazalak Farooqi, and impact player might be Sanju Samson. Now the Kolkata Knight Riders, Quinton de Kock, Venkatesh Iyer, Ajinkya Rahane, Rinku Singh, Ankush Raghuvanshi, Sunil Narayan, Andre Russell, Ramandeep Singh, Spencer Johnson, Harshit Rana, Varun Chakravarti, and Vaibhav Arora, the 12th man. Now the Dream 11 predictions and fantasy cricket tips. Firstly, the captaincy picks. Sunil Narayan from KKR, a dynamic all-rounder who delivered a stellar performance in the last match with 44 runs and a wicket. Sanju Samson, a stylish right-handed batter, played a brilliant 66-run knock in the previous game. Now the top picks. Yashasvi Jaiswal. Despite scoring just a single run in the last match, he remains a threat to produce a big inning. Ajinkya Rahane, the experienced captain leading from the front with a composed 51-run knock in the previous game. Now the budget picks. Shimran Hetmeyer from Rajasthan Royals, a dangerous finisher known for his power hitting under pressure. Quinton de Kock from KKR, an explosive left-handed wicket-keeper batsman who provides quick start as an opener. Now the Rajasthan Royals versus Kolkata Knight Riders Dream 11 prediction. Dream 11 Team 1. Safe team for small leagues. Wicket keepers Sanju Samson, Quinton de Kock and Dhruv Jurel. Batsmen Yashasvi Jaiswal and Ajinkya Rahane. All-rounders Sunil Narayan, Andre Russell and Riyan Parag. Varun Chakravarti, Mahesh Tikshna and Tushar Deshpande. This team will be led by Sunil Narayan, having Yashasvi Jaiswal as his deputy. Now the Dream 11 Team 2. Risky team for the Grand Leagues. Wicket keepers Sanju Samson and Dhruv Jurel. Batsmen Yashasvi Jaiswal, Venkatesh Iyer, Ajinkya Rahane. All-rounders Sunil Narayan, Andre Russell, Riyan Parag. And finally the bowlers Varun Chakravarti, Mahesh Tikshna and Tushar Deshpande. This team will be led by Sanju Samson from RR, having Ajinkya Rahane from KKR as the vice captain. Now players to avoid in the Dream 11 team for KKR RR match. Firstly, Kunal Singh Rathore did not play in the last match. Secondly, Roman Powell yet to feature in this season. Now the expert advice for Dream 11 fantasy cricket. For the small leagues, captaincy choice can be Sunil Narayan. For the Grand Leagues, captaincy choice can be Sanju Samson. And the ideal Dream 11 team combination would be 3 wicket keepers, 2 batsmen, 3 all-rounders and 3 bowlers. Now the match winner prediction. Rajasthan Royals with their well-rounded squad and informed players are favourites to win this contest. Their strong batting lineup and key all-rounders make them a formidable side for this crucial encounter. This promises to be an action-packed clash as both teams look to secure their first points of the season. Will Rajasthan Royals capitalize on their firepower, or will Kolkata Knight Riders stage a strong comeback? Stay tuned for a thrilling contest.